Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create the photo dump video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So this trend is where you get a message saying your iPhone storage is full and you can free up some message by dumping your memories from 2022. Then you see all your 2022 memories photos appear. So let me show you how you can create that video trend. So to create the video trend, you'll need TikTok and you'll need Capcut. Capcut is a free app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once you have downloaded that, open up your TikTok app. Next, you want to tap on search here at the top right. Here you're searching for camera roll dump Capcut and then press search. Now within the search results, you're looking for these kind of videos where it shows up a video and then a few series of photos or videos together. On the first video, you'll see this message here, iPhone storage full. And this is a video trend. So within these videos, what you're looking for is this Capcut try this template. So if you see it, go ahead and tap on it. This will then show you a preview of the template you're going to use. Go ahead and tap on Use Template in Capcut. This will open up Capcut and will load the template. Now you're going to tap on Use Template here at the bottom right. Now for this template, you will need to select 58 images. So for the first one, you want to select a video. Then you want to select photos for the rest. Then you want to tap on preview at the bottom right. This will now create the video for you and will show you a preview of what exactly you're creating. Once you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on export here at the top right. Now tap on save and share to TikTok. This will export the video and send it over to TikTok. And there you go, it's created the video. You want to add sound at the top, add in a trending sound, then go ahead and post this video to your TikTok account. So that is how to create the camera roll photo dump video trend on TikTok using Capcut. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.